Right, hello, this one's probability. Right, George rolls a standard fair six-sided die. What is the probability he rolls an even number? Well, there are three even numbers, so it's going to be 3 out of 6. You could simplify that to be 1 out of 2. What's the probability he rolls an odd number? Exactly the same. Call it 1 over 2. What's the probability he rolls a square number? Ooh, let's have a look at the numbers on a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The only square number is the number 4 because that's 2 squared, so it's 1 out of 6. Jill is selling 20 shirts, some blues and whites and red, the rest are black. Okay, so hang on, 5 and 8 is 13 and 16, so we've got 4 black. Remember that, because it's probably going to ask us something to do with black. What's the probability of choosing a red shirt at random? The red ones are 3, and there are 20 altogether. What's the probability of choosing a black or white shirt? So there are 4 black, 8 white, so that's 12 out of 20. 6 out of 10, 3 out of 5. I don't like to simplify when doing probability in case you make a mistake. Brandon has 3 types of sandwiches. There are 6 ham and cheese, 10 BLTs, and 4 tuna. If he picks one at random, what's the probability he chooses a BLT? Well, there are 10 BLTs, and there are 6, 16, 20. So 10 out of 20. If he picks one at random, what's the probability he chooses a BLT or a ham? So a BLT or a ham is 16 out of 20. Alicia has a box of newborn puppies, Labradors, chocolate Labradors, and golden retriever. She chooses random without looking. What's the probability she chooses a black Labrador? So there's 3 black Labradors out of 3, 7, 8. Now I'm writing all these as fractions. You can get probabilities where you would put your answer as a decimal, or you'd put your answer as a percentage. For that, you're either going to have to convert, or the questions will lead you towards what kind of answer you need. A golden retriever, there's only one out of 8 dogs. A golden retriever, lovely dogs. Right, thank you for those past functional skills, people. Zakira has a bag containing 30 marbles and 10 blue marbles only. She reaches and grabs a marble at random. What's the probability she grabs a red marble? Well, there's 30. Whoa. 30 out of 40, yeah, because there's 40 altogether. What's the probability she grabs a white marble? There aren't any white marbles, nothing. Fraser is a European roulette wheel. Among the 37 numbers available, there is a green 0. The rest are black and red in even amounts. What's the probability of getting a red number? So there's 37 altogether. So if we do 37, take away the green one, that leaves 36. So there will be 18 red and 18 black. So there will be a probability of getting a red number is 18 out of 37. An American roulette wheel has 38 numbers. That is the same as a European wheel, with an addition of a green 00. Has the probability of landing on a green number doubled? Green double? No. So just one. Oh, hang on. Oh, yes. Yes. Because there's a green 0 and a green 00, so there's twice as many. Which style of roulette has a higher probability of landing on a black? The European one, because there's fewer numbers. European. Learn something every day. I never knew there was such a thing. And if you're any sort of a mathematician, you won't play that because you're not going to win. The manager of a football team assigns 20 players a number 1 to 8 for defenders, 9 to 16 for midfielders, 17 to 20 forwards. A team captain chooses one number at random and that player joins the team. What's the probability their choice is a midfielder? So midfielders, we've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 8 of them. So it's 8 out of 20. What's the probability that there's a forward? So we've got 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 4 out of 20. Okay, so far. Right. Poppy, yeah, pause. Have a go. Yeah? And see. See what you do. Yeah? Poppy is flying from London to Madrid. She arrives with 9 centre seats, 3 window seats, and 3 aisle seats available. When she reaches the desk, she's given a seat at random. Express the probability she does not have a centre seat. So she could either get a window or aisle. So that's 6 out of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 out of 15. Right? Divide by 3. So it's 2 out of 5, 2/5. As a decimal, 2/5 is 0.4, and a percentage times 100, 40%. So yeah, I thought they'd try and mix it up a bit. Lauren picks a random card from a standard pack of 52, divided equally amongst 4 suits: spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. They are then assigned a value of ace, 2 to 10, jack, queen, and king. What's the probability she picks a picture card, i.e. a jack, queen, or king? Well, there are 4 suits, so there are 4 times 3. 4 times 3, which is 12 picture cards. So the probability of a picture card is 12 out of 52. What's the probability she chooses a spade? Right, 4 suits. So spades, we've got an ace, 2 to 10, 11, 12. So there are 13. 13 spades. 13 out of 52, which is 1 in 4, isn't it? 39, 52. Yeah, 1 in 4. The probability, oh, now we've got decimals. Decimals, yeah. Right, the probability of Jane and her partner winning a tennis match is 0.6. What's the probability they don't win the match? Well, all probabilities added together make 1 or 100%. So it's 0.4. Assume the probability of winning the match is independent of all other results. What is the probability they win 3 games out of 3? So, to win a game is 0.6. To win the next game is 0.6. And to win the third game is 0.6. So we've got to multiply all that together. And this is where the calculator comes out. 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6 equals not very much, 0.216. 0.216. A spinner has a probability of landing on 1 with a probability of 0.3. What is the probability if it's spun 3 times it does not land on 1 on all 3 spins? So to land on a 1 you've got 0.3. To land on a not 1, that's everything else, it's going to be 0.7. So 3 spins is going to be 0.7 times 0.7 times 0.7 equals, calculator, 0.7 times 0.7 times 0.7 equals 0.343. Right. Probability done and dusted. Good. See you in the next one.